I have been getting questions on how to edit images using AI tool with zero editing skills. So I came across a tool which will help you to edit images using AI with zero editing skills. Watch the video till end to know about the tool. So open any browser, search Hugging Face, go to Spaces. Here you can see a tile called Gemini Edit Image Edit. Just click on it. Here you have multiple options. You have usage instruction here. You can upload your image here, or you can just capture it by enabling the webcam. You can enter your prompt here. So below are a few examples. So let's try with any one example. So I'll take this image, and here please make it happy looking face only. So I'll click on generate. So we need to wait till 30 to 40 seconds. As you can see, the image is ready. So let's try with another face. Make it angry. Let's generate. As you can see, you have got angry face on this side. Not only image, you can even edit text in images. So I'll change text to mango, and I'll click on generate. As you can see, the text has been replaced. You can experiment with this tool to get good results, as this is in beta version now. Try this tool and let me know in the comment section was it helpful or not.